So the outside columns, concrete, they have this nice ridging on them. We had to take one apart and put it back together. In doing so, it got taller because each joint I went and added a little bit more concrete. Didn't really want to, but I wanted to make it strong. So we've wire brushed them really good. Amy did, and the others, Nicole and Dave, and now she's priming. And it's a good primer. They did say it was for concrete. We also have the eaves, the spout coming off. Before it was coming down on here, and these were staying wet. So that would definitely not hold the paint, but it's been this way for a good month now. And you can see one that we did last time. And I'm very happy to say that the primer is holding really nicely. I haven't noticed any sign of it coming loose. And this one had been painted over a month ago, at least 4 weeks ago. And I'm very happy on how everything's looking here. So it's really going to change the look of this compared to the old red ones. You can see there on the corner down there. We also had to do some repair on the bottoms. So this is several weeks ago. This concrete has had time to set and dry. And this will all prime up nicely after we wire brush it some more. And these should be looking really good after a day here.